Resort-style living in this rarely available 2-bed, 2-bath oceanfront PH residence at the prestigious Galleon Condominium, located in the Galt Ocean Mile in Fort Lauderdale. Enjoy living like you're on vacation in this meticulously clean and renovated condo with floor-to-ceiling impact windows and doors, large bedrooms and closets and open living space. Spectacular unobstructed southeast ocean views and downtown city views from the glass balcony, main living space and primary bedroom. Intracoastal views from the kitchen and guest bedroom. Walk to beaches, restaurants, shopping, North Beach nightlife and entertainment, and the seaside town of Lauderdale by the sea. Full amenities, covered and secure deeded parking space, 24-hour security and on-site management. Minutes to Fort Lauderdale International Airport. By your trusted partner on and off the court, Pwayko Skybank, serving up your next real estate victory.